Anong nangyari? Hey guys, this is Jon Orana. Makukwento ko sa inyo. Okay, last night, I held a webinar and in the last 10 days or so, we really push this free online training. So just imagine, kunwari, magkakaroon ka ng isang rock concert and you did a lot of work para lang po maraming magpunta sa rock concert ninyo. So just imagine, there will be like 18,000 capacity. But then on the day nung concert, na-realize mo na 500 lang pala yung kakasya. And that's what happened to me last night, guys. I was so disappointed, to be honest, dahil I work hard to have people, and there are 18,000 people have registered po sa aming pong free training on how to create and sell digital products. And unfortunately, nung simula na yung webinar, I cannot do anything else but just, nga po, to get disappointed dahil 500 lamang po yung naka-attend ng ating pong free training. But anyways, the reason I'm sharing you guys this is to let you know that in business po, it is a roller coaster ride. I've been in the business for over 12 years. I've been doing webinars for many years bago pa nakilala ng sabihin na natin ng mga typical Filipino yung Zoom because of quarantine and all. We've been doing this kind of online business for over 12 years and still from time to time I mess up. So again, the reason I'm sharing you guys this, messing up is part of the process. You will make mistakes. No doubt about it. Ako po, I've coached and mentored a lot of people. And many of them, maganda na po ang mga kita nila. Many of them, they are now the leading expert in their industry. But I also still keep reminding them that despite of that, you will still make a mess here and there. And that is part of the journey, right? Because bilang isang entrepreneur, what we have is like a roller coaster ride. Right? Hindi po tayo carousel na paikot-ikot lang. Besides, ang boring naman kung paikot-ikot ka lang. Mas maganda, mayroon ding mga ups and downs. This is something that you need to develop as an entrepreneur dahil typically pag empleyado ka lang, pasok, uwi, sahod, pasok, uwi, sahod, right? Kaya most employees, they are sick and tired of their job. It's the same boring cycle that they have. And frankly, marami po sa kanila, the reason na pumapasok po sila sa trabaho is one thing, for just money, right? For an entrepreneur, it will be a journey. It will not always be a happy thing and joy and party, right? There will be challenges. There will be headaches. There will be sleepless night as well. And ganun po yung nangyari sa akin kagabi in the Philippines as of recording this video. But then again, I'm just encouraging you guys that it is part of life because marami po ang gusto magnegosyo. People gonna come to us and I've reached millions of Filipinos through my Facebook page and YouTube channel and email. Common question is, Sir Jon, sigurado po ba akong kikita dyan? Ganun yung mga tanong nila eh. They're looking for a business na sigurado akong kikita dyan. Well, here's the thing, my friend. There are only two things na siguradong mangyayari sa buhay mo. Number one, pag kumita ka, siguradong babawasan ng gobyerno yung tax mo. Yung tax tinatawag. That's guaranteed. Number two, siguradong darating ang time meron ka ring appointment kay Lord. Yun lamang po ang sigurado. Okay? What I'm trying to say is this. Even if I coach, mentor someone, there's really no guarantee that they will be successful. Why? Because I don't know if they're gonna take action. I don't know how much action they're gonna put into. Because even if I tell you everything that I know, my friend, if you're gonna make all the excuses, then do not expect something big will happen. Alright? So again, that is just a quick reminder for you guys na again, bilang isang entrepreneur, isang negosyante, there will be ups and downs. Number two, take massive action. That is the secret to succeeding continuously in this business. Okay? I hope that you learned something new. Peace out. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.